In 1892, Hawaii was an independent nation ruled by a woman, Queen Kekelaokalaninui. 1 year later, the queen was overthrown by a group of non-native businessmen backed by the U.S. military. Under the new government, women could not vote or hold office. Suffragist Wilhelmina Kekelaokalaninui Widemann Dowsett, a native Hawaiian woman, fought to regain lost political power. Dowsett hosted suffrage meetings and canvassed door to door, encouraging native Hawaiian women to join the movement. In 1912, she founded the National Women's Equal Suffrage Association of Hawaii, and later they pressured politicians to decide. Should women be allowed to vote? On March 4, 1919, the bill passed in the Hawaiian Senate. But instead of granting women's suffrage immediately, the territory's House of Representatives stalled. Dowsett and 500 women of diverse ages and cultural backgrounds stormed the House floor. Their struggle continued for many months. It would take the ratification of the 19th Amendment for women in Hawaii to gain the same voting rights as men. 27 years after the reign of their final queen, women in Hawaii could finally vote.